Hello guys, today I'm gonna unbox my new Asus laptop. So let's get right into it. So in here we have the box. There's nothing inside already. So this is the warranty, 2 years warranty book. And let's get right into opening this laptop. So this is the charger of the laptop. And right here we have the 15-inch laptop. As you can see, 15-inch laptop. And here we have probably the user manual. Let's just take this out. Yeah, that's it in the box. So let's now just try to open it. Try to turn it on. So right here we have the model of the laptop, as you can see. It has 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of solid state SSD. Right now let's turn it on. Can you find the on button? Oh, it's right here. I don't think it has power. Yeah. So I brought my laptop up here so that I can charge it. It's really actually pretty light, and you can see this large big screen and the keyboards. It is Core i5 8th generation, and you will see nano H display, lightweight, super battery. So let's just charge this thing immediately. So yep, you can see the head of this is kind of black. So let's just put it up. Oh shit. Oh, I see. I need to take this thing off first. Alright. So this is off. Put it in. Okay. So this must be plugged inside. It's quite small and it's okay. So this fit in right in, and it's really light too. Unlike my previous Asus laptop, it's really heavy. So let's just plug this in right here. Right here. Okay. Let's just place it like this first. So let's just switch it on. Let's switch on. How do you know whether it's charging or not? Let me see. Okay. Alright, so when it's charging, there's a red light right here, and now you see it's turned on. It's turned on. So I'll be choosing English. Yes.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Alright.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Good,
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
No, let's set it to Australia. Okay. Let's keep going up. And Australia. Where's Australia? Alright, Australia. Yes. The quality of the sound is pretty good.
US. Want to stick with that?
Alright. Just US.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Let's just skip this.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one? Now type your credentials.
I'm gonna have to skip right now. Skip for now.
Just so you know, connecting to a network now could save you some time later. If you want to get that out of the way, choose yes.
Okay, let's just try connecting
Now
it to my
let's get
Wi-Fi.
you connected to a network. Now we have some important setup to do.
I've just connected my Wi-Fi. Yeah, so one thing I forgot to tell you guys is that it has 3 USB connectors. 2 right here. There's 2 right here, and then there's another 1
Now let's
USB
see what's new
connector
from
here.
Windows.
And there is a HDMI right
Next
here.
up, the legal stuff.
There's a HDMI cable
You
right
need to
here,
select
and then
accept to
there's
use
one
Windows. You can decline, but then
audio
no
input so
Windows.
that you can put your headphones inside it. So yes, this is the license agreement. Let's just accept it. I don't think this is right? No, it's not.
Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
Finally, I finished setting up my laptop and my accounts, and this is what you get. You have nothing on the screen, and I need to download all my stuff back again. I can just transfer it from my old laptop. Yeah. So here is like some of the basic specification for this laptop. So this, as you can see, the base speed is 1.6 gigahertz, and then it can go up to 2.4 gigahertz, and the memory is 8 gigabyte. So as you can see, the original specs. I'm not really good in this kind of laptop, so I'm just going to show you this kind of things. So this is the disk. This is my Wi-Fi. This is the GPU. So it has an Intel UHD graphics 620. I think it's kind of standard. So I don't think it's good for playing games. Alright. Oh, it just has 237 GB of storage space without any data D. That's a little bit unfortunate, but well, this is it. This is it for my laptop unboxing video. So stay tuned for more videos and see you guys later.